Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to view MBTI test history in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. The winter frost season is over and there is new update in Heartopia. In this update, you'll be able to take MBTI test to reveal your soul in Heartopia. And actually, I've already taken the test and I'm going to view my previous result. For your information, we can take the test many times and you will see the history after you take the quest. And I'm going to open up the task menu. Okay, go to the event menu right here and you're going to select discovery and select the shape of you. Okay, I'm going to select go and hold on, it's still loading. I'm going to click on this watch icon to see my history. Okay, let's say that you've already taken the quest but you forget your result and you want to view it again. And this is my history. So I got INTJ on my first test. And we can view the detail and we can take a screenshot of it and share it. Okay, and I'm going to go back and return. And yeah, that's how you can view your MBTI test history in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.